Reputation built through word of mouth, living up to every trust placed in us. This time, we received a repeat order from a long-term Thai client. After purchasing a complete set of production equipment, the client then made a special trip to customize exclusive production molds. To ensure production efficiency and meet the actual production needs of our customers, we follow up throughout the entire process, conducting on-site debugging and trial production experiments. From mold adaptation and debugging to mass trial production, every detail is strictly controlled. The equipment operated stably, and the precision and quality of the output met the client's expectations. The on-site trial production yielded excellent results, with the finished products performing exceptionally well, earning high praise and recognition from the client. We build quality with strength and uphold cooperation with integrity. We are grateful for the continued support and trust of our long-term clients. We will continue to refine our processes, strictly control quality, deepen our presence in overseas markets, and work hand in hand with our clients for mutual benefit and development.